Hello, I am Dr. Shambhu H Shivanna, prosthodontist and implantologist practicing at Ivory Dental, Kundanahalli, Bangalore. Whenever there is a possibility of giving a screw retained restoration, we should always go ahead with it. If the implant is not placed with the proper alignment, with the angulation, we should go with a cement retained crown. Nowadays, there are angulated channel solutions which can go with the screw retained restorations in almost all cases. As long as the screw hole is not coming in the aesthetic zone, we can go ahead with the screw retained one, or we should prefer to go for a cement retained crown which wouldn't reveal any access hole outside the aesthetic zone. Thank you.